Yeah? Ready? All right.
Can you point it more towards him? Because you're pointing at the ceiling.
You can go anywhere you want to go. Fuck. Totally lost my line.
Where are they? I need answers. That's what I get ready.
Oh, that's how I like it.
I know you do. I remember that.
What the fuck do you have for me? Huh? Huh? You like that?
Yeah.
No, because you don't get that shit at home, right? Huh? Your wife can't give you that shit, can she?
That's this fucking thing. Come on.
I can't take it off. Please, put it there. Just stay where you are.
All right, let's try it one more time.
I forgot the blowing. I forgot to blow.
You forgot
Sorry.
to blow everybody.
Yeah.
Hey, who laughed? Stop your piss bottle.
Valerie is in to see you.
Thank you.
Hello, Charles.
Like every morning, I get up. I have an aching. Cut.
An Aiken?
An aching.
An aching in my back.
An aching begging cheeks.
Huh?
Your lines are up.
And as most businesses operate, we outsource customers.
Blowing a bag of 20-pound dicks.
Oh, really? Well, you'd know what a pound of bag. Well, you.
Action.
You're hurting me. I'll be oh.
First of all, you remember your dog Max. Do you remember what Max used to do when he was hungry? I want you to show me what Max did when he was hungry. Bark, Jaden. Bark like Max. He howled.
Oh.
Nobody else found that one.
I was the only one that noticed. I was like, was listening to the cut. Yeah.
How the fuck you did that? You almost made you. Yeah, that was good. That's for the bloopers. Yeah.
The heat goes up and you find yourself grinding and thrusting. Ooh, I don't know my line.
My wife and my kids. My kid. My son. Cut.
You're no more or less than in such. Fuck. I can get dry.
I'm gonna fall in these shoes. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm falling in these shoes. We're doing the grown up. Is that what y'all saying?
What do you do when you're rolling? Oh, you fucked up, Torian. What's up with your mom?
She loves younger guys.
Yeah.
No, I just gotta make sure they're okay for her.
Behind the scenes.
Maybe.
All it is him putting his hand in a different part of the pole.
That's what she said.
Then you gotta make it shorter.
That's what she said.
You can't make anything shorter. No, that's what she did. What does he do after that? Does he get up?
What's that? I take a shit on myself. I know it looks funny, but actually,
That doesn't look gay at all from here. Trust me. Not that there's anything wrong with that.
It's something like that. There's always an escape. It takes a man with big old hairy balls to do it. What the?
I'm sorry. You said like.
Did you get the snake plug off the boom mic?
Yeah.
You really wanted the introduction?
If he starts scratching, he will make a lot of noise.
It's time already to open. For me, I got customers at the line already. Got my guys outside.
Where do you live? I don't know where you live.
next door to me, Cliff. Called him Cliff. Shit. That was good, because for me, that scene sucked. We all have our outside lives. Here in the... comes in the factory? Alright, can you go from there? We all have our outside lives. What happens in the factory? Okay, what do I say? What happens when I come inside the factory? How does it stays in the factory? Okay, yeah. What difference does it make? Sorry. Give me a. What difference does it make? We all have our past lives. What happens in the factory? Okay. What difference does it make? Stop. Okay. Can you see my jacket? Did you see snots coming out of my nose?
No, I can't see it.
It's not bubble. It's awesome.
In other words, we can no longer have you here in the factory.
What? No! I don't know my lines. I just had a brain fart. It's like...
Can't see.
But honey, they just met each other. They hardly know anything about each other.
I know a lot about Jaden. I know that he was I know that he was the professor of the year 3 years in a row in the university.
Oh, really?
What do you know? Are you sure?
You're drinking the wine.
It's getting better. It's getting a lot better.
Hey, you let me do something 15, 20 times, I'll get it right once.
Rolling. Action.
This is fucking bullshit. Shut your goddamn mouth and cut it.
You know you're not gonna get away with this, right?
What? Shut your goddamn mouth and cut the fucking hand.
Let's eat. Nice.
Oh wow, that looks fantastic.
That looks good. I'm straight.
Starving.
Eat that shit. Cut.
Hey, did you guys hear they're building a new movie theater? Let me start again.
Are they building?
Action.
I'm laughing because I know what you're going to say.
No. Blow it again.
I heard they're building a movie theaters.
Okay, all right, come on, serious guys.
Almost. Sorry, hang on a second. I missed it.
Man down.
Did I show you my cooch?
Listen, you may have.
It's hard to think when a girl's unbuttoning your shirt. I will vouch for that.
He's here every week.
You're about to get ravaged, so you need your strength, buddy. Yeah. I saw that look in her eye.
Keep your tongue in your mouth.
Oh my
goodness.
You gotta keep that protein up.
Are you still recording? Are you recording?
I'm rolling.
Okay.
You're gonna make 5 babies.
Oh! I shit myself. Did you hear that?
Sound.
Wait, we're not rolling yet.
Wait a minute, no. Put him back. You don't have to.
Just drag him back.
Well, nice. Good save.
Rolling. Speed. Action. No, hold it.
You're doing this on purpose now.
Your head has to stay down.
What, the hairy balls?
Hairy balls.
The second you said hairy balls, you start laughing.
Cut. plants framing you here.
Okay.
But if you step too far in, I can't see you.